English grammar practice, present simple. Welcome to Easy English Grammar. Today we will learn the present simple for daily routines. What is the present simple? We use the present simple to talk about things we do every day. We also use it for habits and routines. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. She goes to school every day. Here is the rule. With I, you, we, and they, use the base verb. For example, I wake up. We study. With he, she, and it, add s or es. For example, she wakes up. He watches TV. Listen to these examples. I eat breakfast. She eats breakfast. They study English. He studies English. We go to work. My mother cooks dinner. Exercise 1. I blank at 7 o'clock. A, wakes up. B, wake up. Pause and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is, I wake up at 7 o'clock. We use the base verb with I. Exercise 2. She blank breakfast every morning. A, eat. B, eats. Pause and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is, she eats breakfast every morning. We add s with she. Exercise 3. He blank to work by bus. A, go. B, goes. Pause and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is, he goes to work by bus. Go changes to goes with he. Exercise 4. They blank English every day. A, studies. B, study. Pause and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is, they study English every day. We use the base verb with they. Exercise 5. My brother blank TV every evening. A, watch. B, watches. Pause and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is, my brother watches TV every evening. Watch changes to watches. Common mistakes. Now let's look at common mistakes. Do not say she eat breakfast. Say she eats breakfast. Do not say he go to work. Say he goes to work. Do not say they watches TV. Say they watch TV. Now listen to a short dialogue. Emma, what time do you wake up? Daniel, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Emma, do you eat breakfast? Daniel, yes, I eat breakfast every morning. Emma, what do you do after breakfast? Daniel, I go to work. Let's review. Daily routines use the present simple. With I, you, we, and they, use the base verb. With he, she, and it, add s or es. Practice every day and make your own sentences.